want me to open it for you? Bring it here, Betty. I'll open it for you. Come here, baby doll. Come here, let me open it for you. Let me open it for you. No, wait, no, wait. Wait, let me cut it open for you. Let me cut it open for you. There you look, Phil.
I think that was a good choice.
Nobody's going to take it away from you, Betty. No one's going to take it away from you. No, it's yours. It's yours. Just have a hard time opening it. There you go. There's your...
Did you get a vote? Now look at him.
Now what do I do with it?
He's like, huh, okay.
Now what do I do with it? Now what do I do with it? You pretty boy. Boy. Where's the big one, Mom? You don't ever give me this big one.
You happy, Mav?
I believe he is.
You happy,
I
Mav?
believe he is. I believe he is. I believe he is.
Does Harold have any pets?